Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a Monday.com board to Excel step by step. Exporting your board to Excel is useful when you want to analyze data, create reports, share information with others, or keep an offline copy of your board. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board that you want to export. Make sure you're viewing the correct board and that all the information you need is visible and up to date. Next, click on the three-dot menu located in the upper right corner of the board. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From the menu, select More Actions. Then, click on Export Board to Excel. Monday.com will begin preparing your board data for export. Depending on the size of the board, this may take a few moments. Once the export is ready, the Excel file will automatically download to your computer. Navigate to your Downloads folder or the location where your browser saves downloaded files. Open the Excel file to review the exported data. You'll see your board items, groups, columns, statuses, dates, and other information organized into a spreadsheet format. Take a moment to verify that all the required data has been exported correctly. If needed, you can now sort, filter, analyze, or share the spreadsheet using Microsoft Excel or another spreadsheet application. For larger boards, remember that some advanced board features may appear differently when exported to Excel. Always review the file after exporting to ensure everything looks as expected. And that's it. You've successfully exported a Monday.com board to Excel. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Monday.com tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.